All right, so my recording left off. I only have 15 minutes I can record. I went over my time, so I gotta make a second video to finish up. And we basically left off where we made this side view, this piece right here. And so I just gotta add in this blue side here. And so I'm just gonna go down and across and back up. And not a very good line there, but that's the best I can do with this thing. So now we got our orthographic projection done. We're ready to put in our dimensions. And one of the rules is we always want to do on the view that shows the most changes. And so the front view is where we want to try to put in our dimensions. As many as we can. I can't fit a lot of them in because I write too big and I put stuff too close together. But I'll just let you know when you should be putting in different spots. All right, so our first one we're going to do is from here to here. And so I'll just go ahead and make my dimension line, add in an arrow on each end, and that's 4 squares long. So 4 squares, since 1 square equals a 1/4 inch, 4 squares is going to equal 1 inch. So I'll just put a 1 and then 2 slashes, because 2 slashes stands for inch. Now I'm going to do this section here, and so from here to the other side is 12 squares long. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I'll just put my 3 and then my inch. Then a lot of times I like to put the total amount in there too, but I have no room here. Normally you'd want to put it on like this view down in between here, but I have no room. So I'm going to put mine up here. And so this one is 16 squares long, otherwise known as 4 inches. So there's my length. Now I have to do my height and my depth. So height is on this one. This is my height. And so I'm going to do it actually on this view as much as I can because this one shows the change. And so I'll start with this one from here to here. Again, that is 4 blocks long. So that's going to be 1 inch. Now I know I already have 1 inch over here, but this is for something else. And so that's why it's okay to have the same number twice. And then I got to do one more from here to here. And that one is, I believe, I got to count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 divided by 4 is 1. And then there's 2 left, which is 2/4, but we divide that, simplify it, so that's going to end up being 1 1/2 inches. Then a lot of times I like to put the total in. Now I don't have room here because that's where I'd like to put it, so I'm going to cheat and I'm just going to put it on this side because that's the only spot I really have room. And so my total then, 1 plus 1 1/2 is going to be 2 1/2 inches. And then finally, I got my depth from here to here, which is represented by this. So from here to here, and that's that weird one, that's 9 squares. So 9 divided by 4 is 2. And then 1 remainder, so 2 1/4 inches. And that is how I dimension this block. Good job. If you made it all the way to this before the end of class, that's impressive. If you didn't, that's all right. We'll continue this on tomorrow. And included in tomorrow then, or if you still have time, you can go ahead and work on your next shape. So that'd be this shape here. And then if you're really somehow able to get that done, then you can move on to this one and get all 3 done. But your main goal is just to get this one done for today. All right, I will see you tomorrow on Friday. Have a good rest of your day.